everybody, Corinne here. I just wanted to do one last for the month check-in. Sorry I haven't been around much. Actually, for some good reason. I had an epiphany somewhere along the line and decided to take a little left or right, or I don't know, a turn. So I didn't exactly start over, but I kind of changed a few things that really fit for me. And so I'm a little bit behind. I've filmed part of my lead magnet, and I've got a good plan for a good Kickstarter and sort of the long-term big picture as well. I'm hoping to get my lead magnet up and done, edited, and up maybe not this week but the following week. And then from there, I think that my Kickstarter will be pretty easy to put up, and I'll be able to do that pretty quickly. Anyway, I just wanted to check in, say hi and bye, and I'll see you all soon, and say thank you to everybody for your input and your sharing. And I've been lurking a lot, so I've been watching everybody's progress, and I'm so impressed with how everybody's been doing. And you know, special shout out to Sarah and to Sybil. Sarah, your generosity, your professionalism, your knowledge that you're just so willing to share with all of us was just really incredible and moving and touching. And I've taken a lot of courses online, and never have I had the opportunity to learn so much in such a short amount of time. So anyway, I will see you all online, and I hope everybody has a super day. And again, thank you, Sarah, Sybil, everybody, and we'll see you soon. Bye.